just now leaving Cuba City, and we are on our way to Devil's Lake, North Dakota for an ice fishing trip. It's just Dad and I this time. The rest of the family had to stay home, go to work, and go to school. So we got a 10-hour car ride. I don't know how well I'll do because I can barely last a 3-hour car ride. But see you guys there.
Hey.
Alright, so it's day 2. Dad's got a flag. We're in North Dakota.
Oh, little dink ball. Ooh, my minnow's still alive. Well, first walleye of the trip. Big one, about 12 inches bigger. Something heavy?
Yeah.
Don't horse it. Let him take line. That's fine. Just let him take line. Let him take line. Just let it feed through. Feed through.
Ooh.
What?
I had a glimpse of it.
Huh?
Couldn't tell what it was.
Oh, it's a nice walleye. That is a nice walleye. Look at that pig.
Grab it.
Yes. Yeah, that's a keeper, dude. Woo. That is money, son. Well, you're gonna have to grab the forceps. We're out here at Devil's Lake, North Dakota. I've been wanting to come out here for years. This has been a bucket list item for me, along with Red Lake, Mille Lacs, and Green Bay. Those are on my checkoff list. That is a stellar walleye, dude. That is awesome. That is awesome. I'm gonna go grab my phone for pictures. Well, we'll keep you guys updated as to the rest of the day as it goes along. We'll see in a little bit. Did you get him? Has he got weight? All right, hold on now. Here, take this.
I was just coming over to check this one,
All right,
too.
we got a tape measure on here. They have to be 14 or bigger.
Oh yeah, it makes the mark.
15.
Here we go. Do a walleye. Yes. I was just coming over to break some of the ice off around this one. And, hey, I go over there to fix that one. All of a sudden, I come over and this one's spinning. See, I don't think that he tripped it until, until I bumped the thing when I ran back over there. Come on, Dad, where's your walleye at? Hey!
You're gonna be bait.
Yeah. There we go. There's another walleye.
Nice.
Well, Dad's got another flag. Bet you it got off. Oh no, it's still on. Got him?
Yep.
What is it?
Ooh.
I think that's a keeper.
Not a good eater.
Oh. got weight to it. I mean,
Sit down. Get him? Oh, yeah. Come on, baby.
jeez.
That's all right. That's all right.
I just saw a walleye the way it's pulling down.
I hope so. Don't force him. Don't force him. It's a northern. Little northern. Don't, yep, just let him take it. You gotta let him back down. You gotta let his head go down or come up the hole first.
Come here. Ready?
Hold on.
It's a long one. It's really skinny.
Yeah, grab this camera. I'll take your hook out for you.
Yeah, there's something on there. Oh yeah.
Don't horse him. Another walleye.
Another nice walleye. Another peg. Yes.
Very nice.
Alright. I'm gonna force ups. Well, Dad's got one after about 30 seconds after I took care of mine. And my hands are freaking freezing. And I'm just trying to stay warm. We just keep, this is nice because I'm just running back and forth between flags. Either A, recording, or B, catching. Get him?
Good head cheeks.
Another walleye, another big walleye.
Nice walleye. Look how fat that thing is.
I don't know if that one will make the length requirement.
Well, we got a walleye here jigging with tungsten and a wax worm. We got to measure him, make sure that he hits the slot size. You can only keep anything over 14 inches here. Get him? Another walleye.
He didn't even pull very much off.
Nope. Plucking out the walleyes. Well, everybody, we are back in the great state of Wisco, just about home. As you can see down here, unfortunately, Mother Nature does not have her things in order. And it looks like it won't be freezing down here anytime soon to get on the ice. However, North Dakota was good for us, especially for a do-it-yourself trip. I did not get a guide when we went out there. We had some good walleye action. We caught some jigging, got a lot on tip-ups. We've missed some. We lost some. We did not get on any perch, but it was a good trip. We brought home 15 walleye between my son and I. Our possession limit for the North Dakota is 10 each, so we brought home 15. So I don't think it's too bad. Maybe someday I'll go back out. It's gonna be something to stir away from, that's for sure. Until then, we'll see you guys next time.